Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we're gonna talk about this Amazon Echo Flex Alexa, and we're gonna tell you that how we can set up this for the first time use. As you can check out, this is the main device itself. You have to plug it into your power socket, and over here this is the 3.5 mm jack, so that you can extend this to your external speakers. And there are the speaker grills of this Echo Flex. This one is for mute the mic, and this is for if you want to ask anything and you don't want to shout Alexa. And over here the indicators, and these are the far sensing microphone, so that it can sense you from far. And as you can check out, this is the USB option over here, so that you easily can use your USB cables to charge your devices. So let's start. And first of all, plug. And now we're gonna let you know what we have to do. First of all, we have to install Amazon Alexa app in our mobile phone, and we need a Wi-Fi hotspot or a Wi-Fi connection for setting this with your mobile phones. Now what we have to do and what the process, I'm gonna let you know. First of all, if you have any Alexa account, or if you want to create, you can create new one and log into that actual Amazon Alexa app. And now we can pair this device. How we can do so, let's find out right now.
Your device is ready for setup. Just download the Alexa app and follow the instructions.
Click on Devices option. Click on Add a device. Click on this Amazon Echo. Click on this Echo, Echo Dot, Echo Plus and Echo More. Give location permissions and other permissions. As you can check out, our app is saying that is your device on and blinking the light. As you can check out, here is the Echo Flex, and our Echo Flex light is also blinking over there. That means we can connect this with our device, our app. We have to click on yes. Searching for the device. As you can check out, device is shown over here. We have to click on this. Now it's searching for the Wi-Fi. You have to choose the Wi-Fi. Choose the Wi-Fi and enter the password. Click on connect.
Your Echo is ready.
Now your Echo is ready to use. Click on continue. As you can check out, your device is now connected. That means that's a process. You can easily connect your device via that. Alexa, नॉन कॉपीराइटेड म्यूजिक चलाओ.
हंगामा म्यूजिक से LSR म्यूजिक का गाना, LSR म्यूजिक नॉन कॉपीराइट.
Alexa,
if you like this video about this Echo Flex Alexa, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos about these devices. Be with us, keep learning. How to do it.